Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 5 and here we will be presenting on the topic Simple Room Network. First, I will introduce our group members. Here my name is Nur Syahira binti Sukri and with me are Nur Najwa Alia, Nur Fahana Damia, Nur Atirah and Intan Nur Kaisara. We hope you find our presentation informative and engaging. For our group project, we focused on the creation and configuration of a simple computer network. The main purpose of this project is to help us understand and apply basic networking concepts such as network topology, IP addressing, and how data is communicated within a network. To encourage teamwork and efficiency, each group member was assigned a specific task. For example, one member worked on the physical setup, another on the IP configuration, while others handle file sharing, simulations, testing, and documentation. By dividing the tasks this way, we were able to gain practical experience in designing, implementing, and troubleshooting a local area network or LAN using tools like Cisco packet tracer and physical networking equipment.
Okay, the objective for this project. First is to design and implement a simple local area network LAN that connects to departments or rooms, allowing devices to communicate and share resources efficiently. Next is to understand and apply IP addressing by assigning and identifying the correct IPv4 addresses, subnet masks, and default gateways for all network devices. Next is to gain hands-on experience using Cisco packet tracer, including configuring PCs, switch and routers, and verifying connectivity within the network. Next, to learn how to use basic networking commands such as ipconfig and ping for checking network configuration and troubleshooting connection issues. Next is to analyze and verify device connectivity through testing methods such as pinging between PCs and confirming successful packet delivery. And last, to develop teamwork and communication skills by working collaboratively in planning, designing, and presenting the network setup.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nafana Ramya binti Muhammad Khairi. So I will continue to explain about type of topology that we use, which is a star topology. So star topology is a network configuration where all devices are connected to a center hub or switch. The hub acts as a controller to manage data transmission. If one device fails, the rest of the network remains unaffected. But if the central hub fails, the entire network goes down. It is easy to install and manage, making it suitable for small and medium-sized network.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Najwa Alia. So today I will present on how to set up a simple network using Cisco packet tracer. So firstly, for our system, we use one router to connect all the internet, and then on top of router, I put one server, and then we use two switches. So for the first switches, we have connect 3 PC and then one laptop, and then for the second switches we put 3 PC only. For the connection, we have used copper wire to connect to all the items, which to connect to router. From server to router, we have used fast Ethernet, and then to router we need to select gigabit. And then same as for the switches, which is for the switches we connect fast Ethernet, and then to connect to the router we need to choose the gigabit Ethernet. And okay, so for the switches to device, we choose fast Ethernet to connect the cable wire, and then we make sure that the connection must be same as the as the we connect from switches to router before. And then after that, after we connect all the cables, we need to set up their IP address. For the router, the first router, I just set up their IP address, which is 190.123.1010, and then the next one 191.123.1010, and then the last one is 192.123.1010. Make sure that after we set up, we need to click on to connect the server and switches to the router for the internet. And then for the PC, we need to go to desktop, and then click IP config, and then for IP address, we need to set up same as the for the first address, we need to set up same as the switches that we use for connect that PC. So for the left side, we use 192.123.10 and then 1. For the default gateway, 192.123.1010. Same as to all the devices that connect to that switches, which is we have to put the same first address as we connect to the switches before. And then for the right switches, which is for their PC, we click to desktop and then IP config, and then for their PC, for their PC, I just set up 191.123.1010, and then for their default gateway, we just set up 191.123.1010. We do the same thing for the next device, which is same as we do for the first PC before. And then for the server, the cable that connected to router is for their default gateway, we put 10.1.0.10. So for the server IP address, we put 190.123.10 and 1. Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Najwa Alia. So today I will present on how to set up a simple network using Cisco Packet Tracer. So firstly, for our system, we use one router to connect all the internet, and then on top of router, I put one server, and then we use two switches. So for the first switches, we have connect 3 PC and then one laptop.
So next, I will continue to present about how to share a file between devices in the network using a command prompt. So we are using an empty file, which is we use a PC0 to a new file, which is PC3. So here the step to open the file. So first of all, we need to open any PC and then double click and then choose desktop. So select text and type any message you would like to send. Save file. So this file will save in the text file. So open the command prompt and then type ping, and then insert the IP address that from a PC0, and then type a ping address also into a PC3. And then if the device show request some out, it means the file is closed and not successful. If the program doesn't show request some out, it means it's successful, so you can enter the server. So here the step for share file, which is we need to key in a username and password first, and then after login username and password, then we can share the text message that we write before. So we need to log in to call the text that we write before at the file. So here the step to share file. So we need to key in username and password first. After log in our username and password, then we can share the text message that we write. We need to log in, it call text, then we write before. So after that, then we need after we log in the username and password, we need to check in the PC3 if the file successfully shared or not. So that's the same the previous, which is open the command prompt and then insert the IP address for the PC3 and then log in username and password. So here for we know the file that we share from PC0 to PC3, we need to type get.txt. The file name must be same exactly as before, and then they will appear transfer complete. for checking the file is in PC or not, we should type dir to check. So if appear the file that we share, it means we successfully transfer the file. So that's it for this. Thank you. So here the step to open the file. So first of all, we need to open any PC and then double click and then choose desktop. So select text and type any message you like.
Okay, so next, to check a connection between devices in a network using command prompt. In this part, to test whether one device can communicate with another device on the network, command that we use is ping. Firstly, we need to open the command prompt and then type command ping IP address. In this example, we use 191.123.10.1 and then press enter. If the output reply from, that means the connection is successful. If the output see like request timeout or destination host unreachable, that means the connection is failed. That means the problem with the network or the device is offline.
Check the IP address of device in a network using command prompt. To check the IP address of a PC in Cisco Packet Tracer, click on the PC. Any PC, go to the desktop tab and open command prompt. Then type ipconfig and press enter. The ipconfig command stands for Internet Protocol Configuration and it's used to display the network setting of the device. This includes the IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. The IPv4 address identifies the PC in the network. The subnet mask helps define the network range, and the default gateway shows the router that connects the PC to external networks. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, next, to view a list of stations connected in a network using command prompt. In this part, to see all lists of devices currently connected to the same network, command that we use is arp-a. Firstly, we need to open the command prompt and then type the command arp-a and press enter. A list will appear showing IP address of connected device, their physical addresses, and then the type of connection, which is dynamic or static. With the arp-a command, we can view the list of devices connected to our network. It shows the IP address and MAC address of each device and helping us identify who is on the network.
Next, I will explain on how to send message between device. So first step is open router, and then click CLI, and then type EN, then enter, and then type conft. In this step, we ask user to enter configuration command, and then the next step, type hostname R1. This one also is optional. If you don't want to type hostname, then just type enable secret WP, and then you have to enter int G01. It is also depends on your network or your targeted switches, and then type IP address, and then the subnet mask, and then next enter no shard, and then the next line is type line VTY05, and then you can log in. Then you will see the password inside. Then you need to insert the new password, which is before this we type WP. Then right now the new password we set up as the SWF, and then exit, then enter, and we exit again. and then you have to type WR to see the changes. So for the step 2, you find any PC that you want to send message, and then open command prompt, then type telnet, then telnet your IP address of the router that connect to that PC, and then enter your second password, which is that we set up before, WF, and then and then enter type enable, EN to enable, and then enter the first password, which is WP, and then for the third step, you open any PC that you want to transfer send message, and then you do the same thing. Click command prompt, and then type telnet, then IP address of the router, and then enter the second password, and then and then you enter the EN to enable, and then enter the first password, and then type any message that you want to and then type send, and then enter any message that you want to send to the PC that you enable before, and then confirm. For confirm, you need to enter Y, then message will transfer. Then to check, open the first PC, then you will see the message that from second PC that just send it to first PC. Okay, next I will explain about how to send message to device using simulation tools, which is we select the message icon, then click on the PC that you want to select on, then another PC to send a message. Then we open the simulation tools at the right side, and then if we click on the PC, and we'll show the instruction that just verify that the message were in progress, which is the simulation tools will read the transformation, and then if the instruction if the last status instruction were changed to successful, which mean the message were successfully transferred from another PC to the first PC that just transfer before. Okay, next I will explain about how to send message to device using simulation tools, which is we select the message icon, then click on the PC that you want to select on, then another PC to send a message. Then we open the simulation tools at the right side, and then if we click on the PC, and we'll show the instruction that just verify that the message.
To conclude our presentation, we have successfully learned how to create a simple wired network using Cisco packet tracer. Through this project, we also gained a better understanding of the functions of various network devices such as switches, routers, and servers. In addition to this technical setup, we explore a theoretical concept related to data communication and wired networking. We managed to complete key tasks such as file sharing between PCs, checking device connections, verifying IP addresses, viewing active stations, and sending message using the command prompt. We also include a network monitoring tool to help us observe and manage our network effectively. Overall, the objectives of this project were successful successfully achieved through teamwork and commitment. We would like to sincerely thank all group members for their cooperation, and a special thanks to our lecturer is Miss Fatin for her continuous support and guidance throughout this project.